Hey y'all, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm gonna show you how to make money online. If you want to make money online, you should start by getting this app called Mercari. Log in, put your card details in. I know it sounds crazy, but put them numbers in, let me tell you. Then that'll get you that money. You wanna get the app Mercari. Log in, make an account, add a profile picture, write a little bit about yourself in the description, and then you want to just sell like some items around your house at first, or like go to Goodwill, get some items, or like the thrift store, or like Walmart, and go to like the clearance section, and you could get items for like cheaper and sell them for more online. Um, but yeah, you just want to make them you just want to sell small little things at first on Macari to get your reviews up, because once you have your reviews up, you can, like, I sold 3 or 4 things before I actually sold a purse, which I'm going to show you guys later on in this video how to make more money. But I sold like 3 or 4 things just to get my reviews up. So now I have like 4 reviews, and then I posted a purse, and it's actually a Michael's Kors purse, because purses on Macari are the second best selling thing on the website. So it'll sell faster than a lot of other things. So yeah, once you sell like 3 items or 2 items, get your reviews and make your account trustworthy, where people want to buy from you, and they see that you're a fast responder, a quick shipper, and you're reliable, they will buy from you more than like a person with none of that. So, how you want to start buying purses and reselling them? So you want to go over to this app called threadup.com. I'll leave it in the description. I'll also leave Macari in the description, and other selling apps like eBay. But Macari is one of the easiest apps to sell on. Let's just get that down. So ThreadUp is a website, and it's a trustworthy website. I've been bought from it 3 times so far. ThreadUp has like 45% off plus free shipping sometimes as a new customer, or 35% off plus free shipping as a new customer on their website. So you never make an account on their website. You just always like make a new account using but you never make an account. So like, it might ask for your email while you buy the product, but like, put in different emails every time, because you won't get your discounted price and get these things half off, and you can't resell them for more. So that's why you always gotta buy from this website as a new customer, basically. So like, I'm in the website right now. It says 45% off plus free shipping, because I'm not logged in. I'm essentially a new customer. So this is what I do. I look up, you could go to women's handbags, or like, I look up woman Michael Kors purses, because Michael Kors sells for like, you can make like a little bit of profit off that. Like, I just looked up Michael Kors woman purses. Right now, since it's 45% off plus free shipping, I could get a Michael's Kors bag that cost $118 on retail, and I could get it half off for only $65, and then I could resell that on Macari for $118. And then like, if it doesn't sell for $118 at first, it'll probably go down to like 100, the lowest, and you will still make uh like $95, because shipping and stuff. So like, you would make like $30 profit off of this bag. If you get a bag that's like $40, and you could resell it for like 70 $70. you would still make at least $25 profit. So like imagine if you had 7 of those bags, $25 profit on each bag. Shit, you do the math. I don't even know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So you just buy the bags from ThreadUp for discounted prices, and you never log into the app called ThreadUp. You never log in, because that's how you get these purses for 45% off plus free shipping. I'll also leave a link down below to where you can find more discount codes for ThreadUp when they don't have a discount uh, day but they always have a discount something going, at least 35% off, 45% off as a new customer plus free shipping. So like never log in, always buy as a new customer from ThreadUp, and then sell on Mercari as the ThreadUp price on retail price. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, and make sure you look legit, complete profile verifications, you know, add profile picture, sell a little bit of items before you sell a purse to make your account trustworthy. Once you make money from one bag, you could buy 2 bags. And once you make money from 2 bags, you could buy 3 bags. And once you make money from 3 bags, you could buy 4 bags, and just keep going up from there. And eventually you could have 10 bags selling all at once, right? And then you can make probably $200 profit at the end of that, and then buy more bags and more bags and more bags, and it just goes on. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here, show you how to make a little bit of money on the side. It's not a lot of money, but just a little bit, maybe gas money, like, or something like that. So yeah, just wanted to show you how I do it, the tricks, the ways. Like Mercari is a good place to start, but once you have like 30 bags, you probably want to move on to like Amazon or like eBay. That would be a better option because you would have so many bags. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you my tricks and ways on how to make a little bit of cash. But if you want more videos like this, comment down below. Yeah, and that's it. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.